This is going to be an install, even though it's already done, of the rear Impreza strut bar. As you can see, it goes inside the car. Now, in order to get to the rear shocks, you'll have a bolt here in the seat, and the bolt there, and then the seat will come straight up by lifting up and pulling out at an angle. And the seat will be hooked right there to the back seat right here. And then the back seat has a bolt there, one here, one here, and one here. And when trying to take the back seat out, you're going to want to open the center here, and you're going to lift straight up. And it comes out. You got the hooks there, and right there. And that's where the seat slides down. And here you can see the strip brace right going into the trunk right here. Same with the other side. And everything is around 12 millimeter. So and get to that, you can just use a regular ratchet, but then the other two, you'll have to use an extension to get them out. Same with the other side.